So hey guys, and welcome back to my channel again. By the way, good day, good morning, or good evening, wherever you are. Yeah, after how many months of not uploading, I always say this to my video, it's redundant, I know, but I'm just used to it, telling you an update on how many days have passed the last time I took a video, or should I say I had my vlog. So by the way, to cut the chase, I'm going to show you what we did in Mati. So hold on, let me just turn on my wonderful ring light. We actually didn't go there to really do a vlogging or something like that. We just went there to relax from, again, this pandemic. It's still a pandemic, and I don't know when would this end, but I hope this would end right away, or should I say as soon as possible. And again, it's my first time in Mati. Let's move on to the video. Here we stopped in Carmen to have our breakfast, which we had some balut and penoys. There are a lot of people who stop over here. And we have arrived in Subangan Tides Resort. So this is their area, and that is the mini bar. Now let me show you the room that we stayed at. Voila! So this room is good for 2 people, and it comes with free breakfast. It's very neat and it's comfortable. As you can see, we just showed you short videos of the room and a little snippet of the area that we stayed in, because it's still actually under renovations. They are adding some facilities, and we just didn't want to take those on a video. Maybe after, when we go back there, maybe soon, or I don't know, maybe in the future, we will be going back there and you will see the whole place. So yeah, just explaining. Alright, let's continue. So hey guys, ngayon ako nagsalita sa whole vlog na to, charot. Because we are now here in the Hikan Beach. Because yung room namin, or should I say yung hotel namin, is in Sabungan. Tapos yung beach ng Sabungan is not, Subangan. Subangan, I mean. Tapos yung beach nila doon is full of coconut something, and hindi siya Long Beach katulad nito. It's so beautiful, and look at our hair. Pinagawa namin to sa mga bata dito. Look sa local. Yeah, bata pa yun si Mylene, featuring Mylene. And, yo, say hi.
Hi.
Bubbles version. And we are now drinking milk tea, diba? Kahit andito na kami sa Mati, or should I say in Dahican, may milk tea pa rin. And it's my first time here in Mati. It's beautiful. Like, it's nasa bukid ka talaga. Bukid ba? Should I say? Suburban area. Walang buildings and everything. But we have the beach with a very big waves. So, mga 4 to 5 p.m. daw, madaming nag-surf. Or I'm not pretty sure. Pero as of now, wala kami nakikitang nagsisurf. Skimboard daw ang tawag. Meron?
Shorts.
Oo.
Skimboard.
Yeah, and it's so nice here. So you should visit Dahican. And if ever that, kunyari wala na silang room dito sa Dahican talaga na beach resort, you can actually book another hotel like what we did and then just go here. But you need to pay for an entrance. Pero 100 lang naman for like the two of us na. So it's still good. The beach is so clean and the locals are so friendly. So that's all, and maybe later we will tour you, or we will let you see some pictures that we took and what would be our dinner later on. So, see ya! Say bye! Later! Toot-toot! That's it. All in all, we enjoyed our like quick vacation in Mati, Davaoeños, and yeah, I mean overall it's a good experience. It's a long ride though, but it's worth the travel. Like from Davao City, it took us like 4 hours by a motorcycle. And the speed is just like an average, like we don't do like overspeeding or anything, so it's just an average. It took us 4 hours, so it depends on how fast you drive maybe, but yeah, it's a wonderful experience. I mean, I highly suggest that if you haven't been to Davao Oriental in Mati, specifically in Dahican. So yeah, you should go there and try to visit their place. I love the beach. I love the beach. And also, I love the people right there. They're very welcoming, and also the food. It's yummy, especially the empanada. There is actually a specific store right there that we bought an empanada, and it's so yummy. I have no picture of it, but the taste itself is superb. So, yun lang. And yeah, I hope that you enjoy our quick video or a short video, and let me show to you some of the photos that we took, because as you may all know that we are now into photography, especially specifically my boyfriend. He is on to photography nowadays, and we are trying to shift our work to photography itself, but I guess that would take us time. But I hope that you would appreciate the photos that we took, and also again this video, and hope that you have a great day. I guess that's it for today. Bye bye.